Hi again. When we are talking about interior design based on some input image, it's very important to keep all the existing dimension. So for example, here you can see the window is in the same place, the heater, and also the walls and the perspective. So in this sample, with this workflow, with fine-tuned workflow and also fine-tuned open source AI model, I was able to solve that. And what was the input? Some colored region to define the position of the objects. And here you can see that the oven is in the same place, the black cabinet is in the same place, refrigerator, counter, and also shelves over the window. And this was the input image and it was the reference. So maybe at first you think that it's able to do that also with Nano Banana or other AI model, but I want to show you. So here is Nano Banana, and exactly I use the same image as input and also same reference image. And this was the first result. So at first the camera is moved. It's completely different scene. The refrigerator is not in the same position. And again, I tried to send three images, the market image, empty room, and this time for helping the AI, I tried to flip the reference image to adapt it more to the room perspective. And I got this result this time. So again, it moved the camera, and also you can see some error on colorings. One more time, I tried to input the image, fine-tune the prompt, but exactly I use the same prompt as I used in the ComfyUI, and it generates this image. And again, if you compare it with the empty room, you can see the camera is moved. Okay, this is a bit different space. The refrigerator is not in the correct place. And yeah, it didn't follow the prompting. Also, I tested ChatGPT Image 2, and yep, it was the same issue. So the refrigerator is not in the same position. This is another room with different framing for window. And also for the second try, okay, still we have the same problem. So it cannot, both ChatGPT and both Nano Banana, in complicated perspective and scenes, they are not able to follow your prompt and also your regions. But this workflow is able to do that. So the workflow is ready to use on the wiz-dev.com. This is the Flowgen app that we made for converting the ComfyUI workflow into the web application. And in the early future, also you can access to this workflow on my Patreon. Thank you for watching. Thank you.